Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to review the Daytek M42 folding clothesline. Now this clothesline will suit 2 to 4 people, but it does depend on your wash size. It comes with a head diameter of 3.6 metres, which means from one tip to the other is 3.6 metres long. Now it has 6 lines with a 42 metres of hanging space. Now the longest line, which is the outer line, is 2.5 metres long, which means it will hold a queen sheet. However, some brands are longer than others, so just be aware of that because some queen sheets you may have to scrunch up a little bit. Now the frame is made of a galvanised high tensile steel. It is powder coated and does come in several colour options. The post is 57mm diameter and the clothesline is pre-wide, making assembly quite easily. All you do is dig the hole, put the socket in as per the instructions, and assemble the top section to the bottom section, and that's all you have to do. There's no line threading. Now it also comes with a 15-year manufacturer's warranty. Now the height is adjustable. When you put it in, you have 3 different height options, so just be careful which one you select and make sure it's correct because you can't change it after the fact. It's a good practice to make the clothesline 50 to 100mm above the person's head who's going to use it most. Now in addition to that, you do adjust the clothesline with the handle to make it go up and down once you put the clothes on. Now if you want some extra space in your yard, the beauty of this product is you can fold it down when not in use. And as we can see, that's quite simple and it gives you back all this space. So when the clothesline is not in use, you can also remove it from the ground, making it a very versatile clothesline. So I hope this has assisted you with the Daytek clothesline. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting theclotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.